I know that stalling the car can cause a lot of stress, but I'm going to give you a great way to help you recover from a stall. And here it is right now. It's called the ABCDEF rule. So A stands for acceleration. That means get off the accelerator so it doesn't rev up on the restart. B is for brake. Press the brake in order to secure the car so it doesn't roll back. C is clutch. Get the clutch in. This is for safety, so the car will start up efficiently, because some cars require the clutch to be pressed fully in order to start. Either way, it's good to have the clutch in anyway if you need to go to first gear, and that way the gear stick will move more freely. Now, there should not be a delay in doing the first part of this, the ABC rule. So do not leave a gap between each part. It should be off the accelerator, on the brake straight away, and then clutch in almost immediately at the same time. D is next. This is for don't roll back. So get the handbrake up fully to secure the car properly. This is very, very important. In fact, it might well be the most important letter of the 6 letters I'm sharing with you. You really don't want the car rolling back down a hill. E then is next. E is for engine. Make sure to turn the key and switch on your engine. F is for first gear, and then take off again. Now, F can also be for fact. Fact stands for first gear, accelerator, clutch up to find a bite, and then T for takeoff. If you want to see my video on fact, then there'll be a link in the description and in the first pinned comment where I go through the fact, and you will see what a great way this is to move off the car smoothly and efficiently. So I'm gonna show you now how you can recover from a stalling incident using the 6-step process that I was saying, A, B, C, D, E, F. So let's say I need to stop there for that cat, for example, or something like that, and I'm stopping, the cat has gone across, and everything looks all safe. Now, I want to take off again then, but I notice I haven't gone to first gear, okay? So I've taken off there and the car is stalled. So what I need to do now is make sure I'm not accelerating, which I'm not. Foot on the brake so the car doesn't roll forward or roll back. Clutch in fully. That's ABC, okay? Clutch in fully, and that makes sure that the car is safe if I do need to start it up and it doesn't jolt forward. The next letter is D. Don't roll back. That means pull up the handbrake, a few clicks just so it's fully up. E then is engine on. So I need to turn the engine on if I haven't. Now, when I put my clutch in, it already started the engine anyway, but if that doesn't happen, you need to turn the keys and switch on the engine, okay? That's E. And then F, we're on to first gear or fact, because I could have already been in second gear. If you stall, you could be in second gear, so it's important to make sure you go into first gear so you can take off again in first gear. Just have a check around, a quick blind spot, and then off we go then, okay? And that's how we recover from a stall, using that 6-step process. If you stall as a beginner or in the early stages of your learning to drive journey, then don't worry about it. It's all part and parcel of the learning process. If you stall during your driving test, don't stress about it too much. Remember, it's not the stalling itself that's the problem, but the problem can sometimes be the lack of a good recovery. And that's what the ABCDEF rule is about, to give you the basis of a good recovery. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with another video. All the best, and I'll see you soon.